got him. Uh-oh. And just like that, we're out. That's a big bite right there. Come on, give it. Four-wheel drive, thank you very much. All right. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike and you're watching Triple T Acres. And in today's video, we are going to be trying to remove as much of these cattails out of the pond as possible. I would rather do it mechanically with a tractor, which is what we're going to be using today, than to come back here when they start to grow and spray them with chemicals. I really hate to use chemicals in a pond, especially when I like to fish and I like to see the wildlife in here. So the least amount of chemicals we can introduce into their habitat as possible. I know that they are usually a great habitat for your pond, but they seem to get a little out of control. They started off with just a few feet here on the edge, and they have grown over the years all the way down here to near my spillway. So we are going to take the hydraulic grapple on the front of the tractor with a loader, reach over the edge and rake them up and see if we can remove as much as we can here. Without further ado, let's go get the tractor and let's get this project started. I hope you enjoy the video. Well, there's going to be a little bit of maneuvering. I'm going to be going back and forth, but I think you'll get the concept here. All right, we got it in four-wheel drive. We're going to take it as far as we can here to the edge. Okay, I'm starting to sink just a little bit, so now the grapple opened up. Let's see how well this works. Okay, I'll just put it in float mode. Let's see if we can drag it up the edge. All right, not too bad. Let's get another bite at it. All right, I think we got a good bite of it. Set it right here for now. Push it down in the woods here later on. Trying not to get stuck. I don't think we're sinking that much, but we're also trying to reach out and get as far as we can too. I think we got a good chunk. See if we can reach out here a little bit more and get these without getting buried here. All right. A little more. Okay. tell you another good reason why it's a good time to do it this time of year is because we are before the fish spawn. And I would hate to disrupt any spawning edges, or any spawning beds, rather. I think now's a good time to do this. But it's never a good time to get stuck. Let's get another bite of that. Really like to get these stragglers out here without getting buried. Come on. I think I got him. Uh-oh. Well, this is where you use the grapple to help get you out of trouble. Just like that. We're back in business. Put your bucket down, roll it, pull back, reset. We're really trying not to put a hole in here. We'll get it, we'll get it, I'm not worried. And just like that, we're out. That's a big bite right there. And this is getting roots and all. That's kind of the key. You could burn these things, cut them, all you want to, but they just keep coming back. They're worse than weeds. Nice big chunk there. You know, if this doesn't sell you on buying a grapple, I'm sure I'll have a few more videos in the future to sell you. They're just such a versatile piece of equipment. You know, I don't want to get greedy, but I'm gonna try to reach out there and get these. Let's just see what happens here. I got good ballast on the back. Let's see. Let's see where that gets me. Not too bad. Wrong way. Yeah, I think I've taken enough cattails. Right now, I'm gonna work on kind of cleaning the edges up. I've got the bulk of it out. Just kind of rake some of these edges. Put the bucket in float mode, drag it back a little bit. All right, well, man, I got a lot done. I'm gonna get the camera here and let you see how much real estate I just opened up on the front side of this damn edge. Let me grab the camera and let you see what I got finished here. All right, this is the edge. I think I'm going to leave just a little bit here. Now that I know that I can get this under control with the tractor, I'm gonna allow this to stay here because it does look very nice in the summertime. But man, we got a ton done. From this edge all the way to this spillway, which is over here, we removed the cattails. So this whole edge is now clear for us to go fishing. Now I do have some stragglers out there. I'm gonna be able to get in some boots and reach out there with a rake and pull those out. But now I'm gonna turn around with the tractor and I'm gonna slick some of these edges up because we were pulling our tractor in there and running the tire. I'm gonna see if I can get these ruts kind of cleaned up with the box blade. Also, here's the pile that we removed. The camera does not give it justice. That is a ton of cattails. So maybe, I don't know, we'll see here in the end if I can use the box blade to kind of push this thing down in the woods there. But yeah, super happy with this so far. All right, now, hope to God we can get out of here. Let's go low gear, Aussie traction in the rear. Come on, you can do it. Four-wheel drive, thank you very much. All right. All right, guys, we got all of the cattails that I really wanted to get out here today. Like I said, I didn't want to take all of them out because I think it is good habitat. I just want to keep them under control. I'll tell you what, this Tar River hydraulic grapple works so good. I was able to get over that edge, grab a big bite of it, and haul it over to another location where it's out of the way. Super cool. If you're interested in one of these, this is a Tar River, and it's a light duty grapple, perfect for the things that I do around here. But man, what a handy piece of equipment. I am super happy with this edge here. And again, just a few other things I got to get touched up. I'll probably come out here with a rake and just get some of the floaties, but either way, I'm thrilled with this. We got fish flopping. I'm probably feeding them somehow. But yeah, all right, everybody, that is going to wrap up the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. But until next time, we'll see you in the next video.